Hello and welcome to another update video about LINK. LINK continues to push higher here and is approaching the next target pivot point after breaking above this $9.50 level. We talked about the idea that after a break above $9.50, we should focus on the $11.82 level next. This is an area or a level that is characterized by the first of all, it's the 50% retracement of the move to the downside between the beginning of wave 3 and the end of wave 3. This is typically the retracement level where we say this is the first indication from a Fibonacci point of view that a downward impulse is changing back into an uptrend. So we did highlight obviously another level before $9.50, and within this range down here, we had another level, which was the descending trend line that gave us a heads up already a few days ago. And this was one of the reasons that I said that we will assume at the moment, tentatively at least, until we have the first deeper pullback, which will always be the stress test, that lows are in across the market. Yeah, maybe not for every altcoin, but across the market, we are tracking uptrends because the multi-hour trends are up. And I came at the right time, I think. The thing is, though, now we need to see how it reacts to $11.82. At the moment, I think it looks quite good for trend continuation. Don't fight the trend, okay? I personally don't think this is the time for shorting. I think it's the time still to ride the trend, yeah. And if we look at the different possibilities, I mean, this could be a wave 4 top there still. I'm not suggesting to you it will turn around there. For me, the trend is still up now. I mean, we are focusing on the uptrend, as I said. And that's why we're tracking the white wave count. I'm just highlighting to you that obviously here, this is a key pivot where technically a wave 4 could still end and then come down from there. Let's see if we see a reaction there. If not, it could go quite quickly to $18 next. And it's a crazy market. It feels like, you know, unfamiliar territory a little bit. We've been in this bloody range for more than a year, way more than a year. And now we're kind of breaking out. I mean, everywhere you see them now, these breakouts. Bitcoin broke out as well, out of the, and then it goes very quickly, you know, and that's the thing. People get bought out, and I mentioned it so many times that the train, you know, the bull market train, or even if this is an extended corrective rally, yeah, but the bull market train, or, you know, the train of any rally, any impulse, any crazy rally in the crypto market, typically leaves with as few people as possible on the train. So if we track this uptrend further, I've got 3 waves up so far. Okay, if I go to the daily chart, you see that a little bit clearer. Unfortunately, we didn't get really a retest of that $9.50 level. Now, you could argue, okay, was this a retest? Maybe, okay, maybe it's pushing higher, but it didn't really, let's say, touch the line and then move higher. That's what I would have preferred, just for having a little bit more trust in this uptrend. But, you know, the trend is not broken. As soon as we get below $9.50, however, things are going to get much more difficult from a bullish point of view. But if we follow the white wave count, then you can see that we're probably here in this 5-wave cycle, only in wave 3. We've got a wave 1, we've got a wave 2, we've got a wave 3, very similar to what Bitcoin is doing, likely. Then there should be a wave 4 at some point and a 5. Now, my take on this is that this is a diagonal structure, because the wave 1 looks like a corrective move. The wave 2 as well, the wave 3 as well, A, B, C. So we could now be in the C wave, then a 4 and a 5. If we measure Fibonacci extension, so if this is an A, B, C in wave 3, then we can take the Fibonacci extensions to measure ideal targets. And it has already broken above the 1-to-1 ratio. So we have $11.82, but the 1.618 extension level, which is just another level to watch. I'm not telling you it will stop there. You know, third waves can always extend, but this is the next key target. If we break above 1182, it's going to be 1288. And then, and that's interesting, the $18.10 level, which is the next key obvious swing high, is also where we had the previous 2.6, or where we have the 2.618 extension level, which is also a very relevant target for a third wave. I mean, I would not rule out it gets there, okay? It just takes a break above 1182 first and then 1288. The trend is definitely up, very strong uptrend. No signs of red candles, okay? I cannot see any sign of a wave 4 pullback, so we just follow the trend higher. Exciting times in the crypto market. Not much more to add, I think. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.